You might remember this experiment from last week involving Tippy the tip truck. We have a ramp that we can change the angle, we have a fish scale to measure the load, and I've taken those data and put them into Excel here. The first thing I'm going to do is convert the apparent mass in kilograms to a force in newtons by multiplying it by 9.8, which is the acceleration due to gravity on Earth. I'm then going to drag this down to take all of my data. I do have 4 significant figures here. I should only have 2. I'm not going to worry about that while I just do a first analysis. Now that analysis is easiest with a graph. So I'm going to select column A, then column C, and insert a scatter graph. I'm now going to insert a trend line. I'll click on one of the points, right click, add trend line, leave it as linear, and set the intercept to 0, 0 because I know that's a valid point. Now straight away I can see that while it's near the line, those data are not a straight line.